Now, a while ago it was revealed that Samsung will have its second Unpacked event for this year in early July. But today, according to Sun Mobile, Samsung has chosen July the 10th as the date for the event, and Paris will be the location of the event. In this event, Samsung will reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, also the Galaxy Ring that Samsung has shown us a glimpse of early this year, in addition to the Galaxy Watch 7 series and Galaxy Tab S10 series. But there wasn't any rumors to confirm that. And if you're still here, give me a subscribe because that would make my day. Also, Samsung maybe, and it's a big maybe, would reveal the long rumored Galaxy Z Fold Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold FE, and the Galaxy Watch FE. And if you want to know what we know about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series, click on this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.